Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: What's wrong with this try/except block in Python? Introduction. Try/except blocks are essential in Python for handling exceptions and errors gracefully. However, writing them correctly is crucial to ensure that your code is robust and maintainable. In this tutorial, we'll explore common mistakes in try/except blocks and provide solutions with code examples. Problem. Let's start by looking at a common issue with try/except blocks. The following code attempts to open a file and read its contents, with error handling. The issue with this code is that it catches all exceptions, which is generally not a good practice. It makes debugging difficult and can hide unexpected issues in your code. To address this problem, let's move on to the solutions. Solution 1. Specify the exception type. A more precise way to handle exceptions is by specifying the type of exception you expect. For file-related operations, you might expect FileNotFoundError or IOError. Here's an improved version of the code. By specifying the exception types, you can differentiate between different error scenarios and take appropriate actions. Solution 2. Use a generic exception, as a last resort. Sometimes, you may not know the specific exception that might occur. In such cases, it's acceptable to catch a generic exception as a last resort. However, this should be used sparingly and only when there's no better alternative. Here's an example. Solution 3. Logging the error. In addition to handling the error, it's a good practice to log the error details for debugging purposes. You can use the logging module for this purpose. By logging the error details, you can track down and fix issues more effectively. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we discussed common issues with try/except blocks in Python and provided solutions to make your error handling more effective and maintainable. By specifying the exception type, using a generic exception as a last resort, and logging error details, you can ensure your code handles errors gracefully and helps in debugging. Remember that precise exception handling is crucial for writing robust Python code. ChatGPT